In this video, I'll show you how you can play Arena in League of Legends. Now first you want to open up your League client, go to play and choose Arena. Now when you're in here, you can invite a friend if you want to play with a friend, or you can queue up alone and get matched with a random one. Now when you play Arena, what I recommend is go to Google and search for LoL Arena tier list. Go to Blitz right here, and from in here you can see the best champions to play by their grade. So the S tier will be the best, A, B, C, and so. Now if you're in the lower elos, it doesn't really matter that much. Like you can easily play the D tiers and still perform well. But when you get a little higher, you should think about playing some of the best. And you can also do arena duos if you're playing with a friend, and you can see which duos perform the best. That's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.